If you are looking for a delicious, quick, and spicy meal, this one is for you. Come with me as I try out a brand new recipe. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by lightly greasing a large oven-proof baking dish. Add 3 cans drained tuna in brine. Make sure you get every last bit. As they say, waste not, want not. Now add 2 cans to chakalaka. I used mild, but feel free to use hot for more spice. Time to add the macaroni. I didn't follow the recipe perfectly, so I just used the whole 500-gram bag. Next, you are going to pour over the hot vegetable stock. And now you are going to give everything a good stir to make sure everything is well combined. Mixy. Pat the mixture down to make sure the macaroni is covered in the liquid. Cover the dish with foil and pop into the oven.